Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile on PC using Gameloop. First, you will need to download the Gameloop emulator. Visit the official Gameloop website and locate the download button. The installer file is typically around 10 megabytes. Once downloaded, prepare to run the installation. This ensures you have the correct platform to enjoy the game with a keyboard and mouse, offering a superior gaming experience. After downloading, run the Gameloop installer. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the installation process, which usually takes only a few minutes. Once Gameloop is installed, launch the application. Use the search bar to find Call of Duty Mobile and then click the Install button. The game download itself is substantial, often between 2 gigabytes and 3 gigabytes, so ensure a stable internet connection. Gameloop offers pre-configured key mappings for Call of Duty Mobile, providing an intuitive experience right away. However, you can easily customize these controls within the emulator settings to perfectly match your preferred playstyle. Experiment with different keybinds for movement, shooting, and abilities. Additionally, fine-tune in-game graphics and sensitivity settings to achieve optimal performance and visual clarity on your personal computer. Playing Call of Duty Mobile on PC through Gameloop offers significant advantages. You gain the precision of a keyboard and mouse, which can greatly enhance your aiming and movement. The larger display provides a more immersive experience, allowing you to spot enemies more easily. Furthermore, Gameloop incorporates robust anti-cheat systems, ensuring a fair and competitive environment for all players. Enjoy superior graphics and consistent frame rates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.